got guinea pigs. Maybe you just have a car. You have a lot of different things. Look at this. This is a 4-in-1 vacuum that was given to us that we're going to be able to use to work in this cage. Now, when you open it up, it has everything that you need. It has a vacuum that is cordless that you can plug in and it'll charge. And as you can see by this vacuum, it can come apart. It has a filter right here, which is paper on the inside, metal on the outside that you can put in there and lock in. And then we can take it and lock it in. And look at the attachments that it comes with. So you can use it for doing anything. Now, this isn't just a vacuum. As you can see here, you can put that here. But the back side here, you can actually lock on stuff. And look, it'll move your hair. So you could use this to clean off your computer or anything else. But check this out. The girls will be able to use this to pick up any kind of poop or anything that's in here and be able to clean it all out with ease. And right there it is. And once you turn it off, you can see it stays inside. So if you would like a little deal for your computer, your car, maybe even just a guinea pig cage, and get you one of these.